What if I told you that one of Wall Street's most successful contrarian investors just revealed why the current market surge might be the healthiest thing we've seen in years? While everyone's focused on whether we're in a bubble, Andrew Left from Citron Research is seeing something completely different that could change how you view your portfolio forever. Picture this scenario. Back in April, when panic was spreading through the markets like wildfire, Left made 4 bold calls that seemed crazy at the time. He went long Amazon, First Solar, and Chinese equities while shorting volatility. The results? Amazon surged 34%, First Solar rocketed 52%, Chinese stocks climbed 22%, and volatility completely collapsed to its lowest levels of the year. But here's what makes this fascinating. Left isn't celebrating because he got lucky. He's excited because of what's happening right now in the markets that most people are missing entirely. While traditional investors worry about record highs, Left sees something beautiful unfolding. Market rotation. For the first time in months, we're witnessing healthcare stocks climbing, while tech giants like Nvidia actually decline on the same day. Housing stocks are gaining momentum. The Dow is outperforming, while the usual suspects take a breather. This rotation represents real strength in our economy and stock market breadth that we haven't seen in ages. When markets become less concentrated and more diversified, it signals underlying health rather than speculative excess. The volatility index tells an even more compelling story. At multi-year lows, the VIX reveals something profound about investor confidence. People aren't rushing to bet against the market anymore. There's genuine trust in the system and administration, regardless of who becomes Treasury Secretary or how many basis points rates change. However, Left isn't blindly bullish on everything. He's taking a massive short position against Palantir, despite acknowledging it's a phenomenal company with strong leadership. His reasoning? Pure mathematics. With a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 290 times, Palantir trades at multiples that history suggests always correct by 50% or more. Even if Palantir were the greatest company ever created and traded at Nvidia's peak 2023 multiples, the stock would still need to drop by 2/3 just to reach 35 times sales. Left emphasizes that no company analyzing big data should tell investors to ignore the data showing such extreme valuations. The irony runs deeper when you consider Databricks, Palantir's direct competitor, waiting in the wings for its public debut. With similar revenue, but significantly more customers, Databricks could provide a reality check for current AI valuations. On the bullish side, Left remains long rocket companies, betting on pent-up housing demand as interest rates potentially decline. With Scott Bessent suggesting possible rate cuts and Fed funds futures pricing in 98% odds of September cuts, mortgage-dependent companies could see explosive growth. Left's balanced approach reveals sophisticated market understanding. He maintains long positions in Amazon and Apple while selectively shorting overvalued names. This isn't about market timing perfection, but risk management and recognizing when fundamentals diverge from prices. The broader lesson here transcends individual stock picks. Market health isn't measured by how high prices climb, but by how broadly strength spreads across sectors. When rotation occurs naturally and volatility remains subdued, it suggests sustainable growth rather than speculative mania. As we navigate these record-breaking markets, remember that the smartest money isn't always chasing the highest flyers. Sometimes the most profitable strategy involves recognizing when apparent weakness actually signals underlying strength. We encourage you to engage with this content by subscribing to our channel for more insights on these important topics. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from this information. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content and fosters a community of informed viewers.